Hi, I'm Barbecue Bob with the Barbecue Guru. I'm here with Big Mo Cason.
How you doing?
Today we're gonna make a grilled chicken sandwich with homemade pesto. Let's get cooking, man. All right, we're ready to make our pesto. We're gonna start with 3 cups of fresh basil.
Okay.
Just got it out of the garden this morning.
Absolutely beautiful looking basil.
So that's the aromas.
Oh my God,
right?
it's great, it's great.
3/4 cup of grated Romano cheese, 2 large cloves of garlic. We're gonna do the almonds. I had these measured out.
I know.
You eating the
I
almonds?
couldn't help it. They were absolutely delicious.
Son of a beef. All right, we got the almonds in there. A little bit of Mad Matty seasoning. This is like garlic, butter, pepper. And then we're gonna start the process, and then we're gonna slowly add the olive
Add
oil.
drizzle, yes.
All right, ready?
Beautiful.
Isn't that nice? Look at this gorgeous color. I want you to taste it. Tell me what you think. There's a spoon.
Mmm.
Not good?
The freshness of the basil,
Yeah.
the nuttiness of the almonds, and then the seasoning, just the right amount of
That
salt.
salty cheese kick. Right,
And
that
the
cheese.
Romano, man, that is absolutely delicious. You can put that on anything.
Well, we're gonna put it on a grilled chicken sandwich.
I put that on scrambled eggs in the morning.
Anything
That
you
is
want.
so good. I'm seriously, man, Bob,
Yeah.
that's really good.
It's delicious. Thank you.
Wow.
All right, so let's get grilling our chicken. Okay, we are ready to season our chicken thighs. We got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and there's very little prep to do. There's just a little bit of excess fat on here, and I'm just gonna run a knife kind of at a steep angle, take some of that heavy fat off. Leaving a little fat on is good. We're gonna grill these at about 350 degrees, so that's gonna render out. It's gonna give you a really nice flavor. Come on, show us how you season them.
So what I have is my Mo Cason chicken rub. It's absolutely delicious, savory. So it's called rub, but you don't actually rub. What you actually do is just sprinkle a nice coat of rub on the surface, and then you're gonna flip them, and you're gonna add another coat on. Another coat of oil on her just before I put it on the grill to help prevent sticking.
Good
And
idea.
now it's ready to go.
Excellent. All right, you want to carry these over to the grill?
Yep.
We'll get them on. We're cooking direct at about 350 degrees. It'll be about 20-25 minutes, and we'll get them to an internal temperature of about 185. We'll bring them off, and we'll assemble our pesto chicken sandwich. All right, this chicken is done. We had grilled chicken thighs direct on the monolith grill. We had some Mo Cason chicken rub on there. We're gonna build this beautiful grilled chicken pesto sandwich. Mo, why don't you grab that lid right there? I'm gonna put 2 pieces of chicken on this. Let's get that one. Look how gorgeous that is, right?
That's great.
And then-
Heirloom tomatoes,
yeah, throw some heirloom on there.
some great mozzarella,
Yeah, throw a couple pieces. There you go. What else
and
you
this
want? Let's get
awesome
some,
pesto.
yeah, throw that pesto right on the bun. Look how nice that is. This is a beautiful sandwich you guys can easily do at home. Oh, you gonna throw some of that on there?
Why not?
All right, here we go.
Oh my God.
Look how gorgeous that is.
That looks absolutely fantastic.
We have some beautiful grilled chicken thighs on this pesto sandwich. We have homemade pesto, heirloom tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, brioche roll. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this.
Heirloom tomatoes.
Yeah, you can
pesto.
grill this up easily at home. This is a great recipe.
Mm.
Check it out at barbecueguru.com. Look for tips, tricks, and more recipes.
Delicious.
Have a great day. I need a picture of that.
Oh my God.
Good? Yeah, hold that up.
Absolutely delicious.
Enjoy, buddy.